Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change gear in your BMW 5 Series. First, familiarize yourself with the electronic gear selector. To start, press the brake pedal. Then, move the selector to the desired position, D for drive, R for reverse, or P for park. Engaging N for neutral is also straightforward. We'll cover each of these in detail, ensuring you feel confident and in control of your vehicle's transmission. Your BMW 5 Series offers both automatic and manual shifting options. In automatic mode, the car handles gear changes seamlessly. For a more engaging drive, you can switch to manual mode. Use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel or nudge the gear selector left or right to shift up or down. This gives you precise control over the engine's RPMs, enhancing your driving pleasure. Beyond basic shifting, consider advanced techniques. Sport mode, often engaged by pushing the selector left from D, sharpens throttle response and holds gears longer. Downshifting manually can provide effective engine braking, especially on declines. Always anticipate road conditions and traffic to make smooth, timely gear changes. This proactive approach improves both safety and the longevity of your transmission. To ensure the best performance and longevity of your BMW's transmission, follow these best practices. Always bring the vehicle to a complete stop before shifting into park or reverse. Avoid aggressive or sudden gear changes, as this can stress the components. If you ever experience unusual shifting behavior, it's best to consult a qualified technician. Proper care ensures a smooth driving experience for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.